Hello everybody, this is Mike here from Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Embassy Suites by Hilton Fort Worth downtown. This location is a very convenient location. The suites are within a 5-minute walk from the Sundance Square Plaza, the Bass Hall, and the Fort Worth Convention Center. Some of the things I did want to mention, including the amenities, was the free made-to-order breakfast, the complimentary evening reception, the free Wi-Fi. The room that we got is called 2 Queen Beds Non-Smoking Room Suite. So as you're entering the room here, you notice that there's a sofa bed, there's a desk with an ergonomic chair, a wet bar area. There are 2 50-inch HD TVs in this room. So that makes it really convenient if you're staying here with your family or with friends, so that you can watch different items if that's what you're choosing to do. Some other important things about this room that I did want to mention is there is free Wi-Fi in this room. However, I did find the Wi-Fi to be a little bit sluggish. It was a little on the slower end side in comparison to other hotels that we've stayed in the past. There is a full-length mirror, a separate vanity area. So there is a safe and there is a alarm clock radio with a MP3 connection. Because this room is on the older side, you will notice that the layout or configuration of these room windows are not the most ideal. You're pretty much facing or looking at the other rooms in this hotel. So if you're sleeping at night, you'll definitely want to close those drapes. You don't want other people looking in unless that's your thing. In the future, if I was to stay in this hotel again, I'll probably splurge and spend a little more just to get the city view instead of just looking at the other side of the hotel, which is, to me, that's still the strangest thing. So these AC units do a pretty good job in terms of keeping the room cool. It was over 100 degrees at this time of recording. However, if you are sensitive to noise, it can be on a little bit on the noisier side. And because this room and this hotel is a older style hotel, they haven't exactly been updated, so the type of wall plugs that you get from this hotel is more limited. It's more limited, and there's not that many USB outlets. So if you're to stay at this hotel, I definitely recommend bringing a USB, I guess a wall extension unit. And because the vanity is on a separate side from the actual toilet and the bathtub, if you are staying here with a group of friends, I would definitely recommend making sure you bring your towel in before you're taking a shower, because there are no towels inside the bathtub area. So with the age of the hotel room being on the older side, the lighting system in this room is definitely on the darker side of things. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly hotel and you're looking for something that is still pretty quiet, that you can get great night's sleep, and you must stay in downtown Fort Worth, definitely check this one out.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.